I'll show you how to make spicy guava mocktail. Take a shaker glass and add 6 to 8 cube ice cube. Then you have to squeeze on fresh lime juice to get 10 ml of lime juice. Then pour 2 fresh red chili slice. Then you have to pour pinch of black pepper. Then you have to pour 3 to 4 drop of hot pepper sauce. Then you have to pour 10 ml of ginger and lime cordial syrups. Then pour 240 ml of guava juice. This is the spicy mocktail you can try. After that, then shake all the ingredients properly. And for this mocktail, then you have to take a pilsner glass, and first of all, with the lime base, you have to rim the glass with red chili powder and salt. Then one more time shake well and pour all the ingredients into the rim glasses. See the colors and texture. Then you have to garnish the mocktail with fresh red chili and mint spring. See, the spicy mocktail is ready. You can try. Thank you for watching my videos. If you like, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.